Stay safe, kids. Wash your hands regularly, use sanitizers, avoid public places, don't go wherever you don't need to go, stay at home for a couple of weeks. Let's just throw this virus away from our planet and be strong. Anyway, hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Now, last year Xiaomi did a very weird thing. They were supposed to launch another flagship killer like the Poco F1, which would be a successor to the F1 called the Poco F2. But that clearly did not happen. Instead, they launched another flagship killer under the Redmi branding, which is the Redmi K20 Pro. There were rumors that the Redmi K20 Pro, which was launched in China, would come to India as the Poco F2, but that did not happen. And nevertheless, the Redmi K20 Pro came to India and it's one hell of a phone. Now the question that comes in today is that, is Redmi K20 Pro still worth it in March 2020? And my answer is yes, it is 100% still worth it because it offers some really good features for the price of Rs 25,000. So let's talk about the reasons why I think K20 Pro is still worth it in March 2020. Number one is the specifications. Snapdragon 855, Adreno 640 GPU, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage, a 4000 mAh battery and a fast charger inside the box. So these specifications are excellent, especially that Snapdragon 855. Snapdragon 855 is a flagship level processor which gives you flagship level performance. So if you're a gamer and play games like PUBG, then K20 Pro is an excellent choice because of Snapdragon 855 and the Adreno 640 GPU. And also normal tasks like checking email, replying to WhatsApp messages, browsing through YouTube or Instagram are all very smooth on this phone because of 855. It does not lag a bit, it feels very snappy and smooth, and the performance is just very flagship-like. So you get that flagship-like feeling with the K20 Pro. Now the second reason that comes in is that display. So the K20 Pro comes with a 6.39 inches display with a resolution of Full HD Plus and it is AMOLED. AMOLED means you get those deeper blacks, that better contrast ratio, the colors pop out and it's just a very immersive experience. Now the display doesn't have any obstacles whatsoever. So this phone comes with a pop-up selfie camera. That means the display is clean, flat and it looks stunning. So every time I use the K20 Pro out in public, there are at least a couple of people who come to me and ask which phone is this, and that display looks awesome. So without any obstacles, that display is very clean and I particularly love it. Now when it comes to the actual quality of the display, even that is very good. So the colors are good, the viewing angles are good, the brightness level is good to use in outdoors conditions, and things like watching movies or YouTube videos are a very good experience. Even my videos look better on the Redmi K20 Pro. So yeah, it's a very good display. Anyway, moving on, the third reason that comes in is them cameras. So on the rear side, you get a triple camera setup and all of these cameras are actually useful. So there's the 48 megapixel primary Sony IMX586 camera. The secondary camera is a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and the ultra wide angle camera comes in very handy in very specific scenarios. And the third camera is an 8 megapixel telephoto camera. So you can zoom in, you get optical zoom with this phone, and even that is useful. It's not like a depth sensor, it's a useful third camera. Now when it comes to the actual image quality, I am very satisfied with the Redmi K20 Pro. The images that it produces are very good in terms of dynamic range, colors, saturation level, and also in terms of detail level. So if you want to edit the photo later on in Lightroom or Snapseed, then you can easily do that because of the high detailed photos. And the Snapdragon 855 helps in terms of image processing as well and gives you better images with the K20 Pro. Now one thing that makes the camera experience even better is Google Camera. I've already made a video about Google Camera 7.2 for the Redmi K20 Pro, and in case you missed that video, don't worry, I'll drop a link to it in the I button over here and also in the description box below. As a matter of fact, I'll drop a link to the entire K20 Pro playlist so that you can go ahead and watch all the videos on Redmi K20 Pro if you are planning to buy this device. Now the K20 Pro does not have a good front camera. The front camera is actually very bad. So if you are a selfie lover out there and you take a lot of selfies, then I would not recommend this phone. Buy something else. It's not a phone for selfies. Okay, now moving on, the fourth reason why I think that the K20 Pro is still worth it in March 2020 is the custom ROM development. So Xiaomi sends out review units to developers, and that's why developers make custom ROMs for these phones. And because Xiaomi sends out review units, there are a lot of custom ROMs for Xiaomi devices, and Redmi K20 Pro is no exception. There are a lot of custom ROMs already available for the K20 Pro because it's been in the market for quite some time, and I've made a couple of videos on them. So I've made videos on Pixel Experience and also Evolution X, and both of those custom ROMs are excellent and work really good on the K20 Pro. So in case you missed those videos, please don't forget to watch them after this video. Hence, if you're a person like me who likes to play around with custom ROMs, then K20 Pro is a no-brainer. It's an excellent phone when it comes to custom ROM development, and you can definitely buy it. Now, if all these reasons weren't enough, the K20 Pro also comes with a headphone jack, and the quality of the headphone jack is excellent. So when you listen to music or watch movies, the sound output from the headphone jack is actually pretty good. It also comes with an in-display fingerprint scanner. It is not the fastest out there, but it is a very cool feature to have. So overall, to sum it all up, I would say that the K20 Pro is still very much worth it in March 2020. It is one of the best phones out there under the 25,000 rupees price category because of the flagship level performance that it offers. So Snapdragon 855 is one of the main reasons why K20 Pro is still worth it, and you can definitely go ahead and buy it. I'll make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, that's been it. This was a very quick video about why K20 Pro is still worth it in March 2020. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and also if you haven't yet, please subscribe below. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one.